Hello friends, welcome to Agri Medical Concepts, and today I am going to share a very important news. There is a very groundbreaking surgery which has become a significant contribution in the field of medical science. Yes, Lucknow doctors performed 10-hour surgery after nail pierces 7-year-old's brain. The incident occurred when the child accidentally fell while playing and landed on an iron nail, which pierced through his neck and reached a highly sensitive area of the brain. Actually, a 7-year-old boy from Balrampur district was brought to King George's Medical University in Lucknow with an 8 centimeter iron nail lodged in his brain through his neck. The trauma surgery at KGMU saved his life through a complex 10-hour long operation that required meticulous precision and coordination across departments. The incident occurred when the child accidentally fell while playing and landed on an iron nail, which pierced through his neck and reached a highly sensitive area of the brain. After being rushed to a nearby hospital, he was referred to KGMU due to the severity of his condition. Upon reviewing the MRI and CT scan reports, doctors at KGMU's trauma center realized that the case was extremely dangerous. A multidisciplinary team comprising experts from neurosurgery, ENT, anesthesia, trauma, and pediatrics was swiftly assembled. The surgery was planned with minute precision, with every millimeter of the operation requiring extreme caution. Using microsurgical techniques and neuronavigation system, the surgical team was able to carefully remove the nail without damaging any major blood vessels. Doctors noted that the nail had reached a part of brain where even a minor error could have been fatal. Following the complex operation, the boy was admitted to the ICU under continuous observation. His condition has since shown steady improvement, and doctors have confirmed that he is now out of danger and on the path to a normal recovery. The medical superintendent of KGMU stated that this case will be documented as a significant contribution to medical science. A comprehensive report on the surgery will soon be published in an international medical journal, offering valuable insights to the global medical community. So friends, for such important news and for all the important updates related to medical science, just stay connected to our channel. And soon I will be back with the next interesting video. Thanks.